Hello, everyone. Are you tired of feeling undervalued and underpaid? Do you dream of earning a salary that reflects your true worth and contributions? Well, fret no more. Today, we're diving into the art of salary negotiation, equipping you with the 7 essential tips you need to land the pay you deserve. Why negotiation matters. Let's face it, salary negotiation can be intimidating. We often underestimate our value and shy away from advocating for ourselves. But remember, negotiation isn't about being pushy or demanding. It's about having a confident and informed conversation about your worth and what you bring to the table. Before we get into the tips, let me share a personal experience. When I landed my first job, I was excited but admittedly nervous about discussing compensation. I did my research, prepared my talking points, and ultimately negotiated a higher salary. That experience taught me the importance of advocating for yourself in the professional world. Now, let's explore the strategies that can empower you to do the same. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Now let's get started. Number 1, do your research. The first step in successfully negotiating your salary is to do your research. This means researching the industry standards and the average salary for the position you are applying for. You can use websites like Glassdoor or Salary.com to get an idea of the salary range. This information will serve as a benchmark for your negotiation and help you understand what you should be aiming for. Number 2, know your worth. It's essential to know your worth and be confident in the value you bring to the table. Take some time to reflect on your skills, experience, and accomplishments. This will help you to determine your unique selling points and what makes you stand out from other candidates. Remember, you are not just negotiating for a salary, but for the value you bring to the company. Number 3, timing is everything. Timing is crucial when it comes to salary negotiation. It's best to wait until you have an official job offer before discussing salary. This shows that the company is interested in you and gives you more leverage in the negotiation process. Also, try to negotiate in person rather than over the phone or email. This allows for a more personal and effective conversation. Number 4, don't be afraid to ask. One of the biggest mistakes people make when negotiating their salary is not asking for what they want. Don't be afraid to ask for a higher salary or additional benefits. The worst that can happen is that the company says no, but they may surprise you with a counteroffer. Remember, if you don't ask, you won't get. Number 5, be prepared to compromise. Negotiation is a two-way street, and you must be willing to compromise. If the company cannot meet your salary expectations, consider negotiating for other benefits such as a signing bonus, additional vacation time, or a flexible work schedule. It's important to have a clear understanding of what you are willing to compromise on before going into the negotiation. Number 6, practice your pitch. Before going into the negotiation, it's essential to practice your pitch. This will help you to feel more confident and articulate your points clearly. Write down your key talking points and practice them with a friend or family member. This will help you to refine your pitch and ensure that you don't forget any important details during the negotiation. Number 7, have a positive attitude. Lastly, it's crucial to maintain a positive attitude throughout the negotiation process. Remember, this is a conversation, not a confrontation. Approach the negotiation with a friendly and professional demeanor. If the company cannot meet your salary expectations, don't take it personally. Be grateful for the opportunity and use it as a learning experience for future negotiations. And there you have it, 7 secrets to successfully negotiate your worth and land your dream salary. Remember, negotiating your salary is not just about the money, it's about your future financial stability and the value you bring to the company. So, be confident, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance videos and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.